the offer. Shh.
Hey, just know I'm smoking haze if you gon' be around me. Yeah. If I see it's Nike like Spike Lee, make a movie every day.
So
every
today
day.
the boyfriend does my makeup and it's hot as hell, I'm red as hell, and I'm wet as hell. So I have a whole setup. We're gonna do like a little pan so you can see how I did it. He's an artist. He was real confident. He was real like you know, talking hella shit that he could do a good job, but now he's worried. So that he could do a good job, but now he's worried. We're about to sweat.
I don't know, this just look right. Man, I'm about to. Is this? Okay. I know.
I can't give you an answer.
I don't even know how to. Okay. So I know when I see her do her makeup, she using this. So
that's what I be telling him. I'm like, you watch me do this shit all the time. You should know.
So the question is, do I put it on this or do I put it on her face?
It's whatever. The people do different shit.
People do it.
Boy, how you gonna pick your fingers?
What you mean? My hand.
How is it gonna blend? I ain't no damn.
Look, I'm doing. Look. Ooh, yeah, that's hard.
That is not hard.
I feel like I'm actually doing kind of straight right now.
I'm dead.
So, damn, I can't ask no questions.
Like what? What?
Like, okay, so do I go over your eyebrow?
I guess if you want to.
Like, okay, whatever. She not helping.
I don't use my fingers, so I really can't tell you.
Yeah, use the sponge.
Which blends everything
No,
out
my
for a
hand
reason.
blended.
When you use the sponge, that shit will blend it out by itself. Like you don't have to rub it so much.
My hands clean though, so I don't.
Are you really gonna try? A fucking terrible job on purpose. Just because they don't want to try.
I feel like I gotta put some more
Go ahead.
on your face, but you know, maybe I'm wrong. So
I mean, do what looks good to you.
cause I noticed when the girls be doing their makeup, neck, they be having like a dark ass face and then a white ass neck. So alright, so next I'm gonna do what's it called, the highlights or the contour. No, I gotta do this part. I gotta do this, like the cheek joint. So I'm gonna guess, I think it's called the contour line, right? You know what it's called? So
Contour.
you gotta make it dark. I know it'd be darker in certain spots of the face. So like that's just common sense. All right, so shit, I gotta read on here. What does it say?
That's what you just put on. You stop asking me. Everything has names on it. You can tell.
So I know I'm supposed to do some concealer, so I don't know which one to pick. I'm gonna go with Fenty Beauty is trash.
That's a unpopular opinion. Don't say that. We gonna have that.
So how's fit? So you don't like Fenty?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if she don't like it, I ain't finna put that on.
Well, I don't like the foundation. I like the highlights.
Alright.
This is not contour. This is concealer. What does the word conceal mean?
You like covering wrinkles or something?
Not wrinkles, but like dark spots. So like under eye, any like red marks, any like this is just like extra coverage basically.
Oh, okay, tips.
When did this turn into a makeup class?
Ooh, yeah, I know that's where you put it, cause I think I done seen you do it like this.
Tryna put the water on my potato. I got killers to the left of me. We was lurking on her. Ain't show no mercy on her. We was going back to back. We put a curfew on her. It was dark clouds on us, but that was perfect for us.
Yo, stop moving. Stop moving.
Double check the details. Gotta cross my T's and dot my I's or I can't.
Gang, gang. Heavy on it, baby. I'm a damn fool. What is wrong with me? That's it. Right. Fuck it.
I know I was supposed to do primer now, and I missed that step because she ain't
He
tell me.
done goofed. Well, he done goofed the whole thing.
The dark shit.
Okay, go ahead.
Right? Ain't this the dark? You're lying.
I'm not.
Oh shit.
What are you gonna do with that?
Draw the lines.
Damn.
So,
Are you nervous?
yeah. I'm supposed to put it up under the cheek.
Your face is so priceless. I wish I had a GoPro on my head so I could show your face. Lord. What the hell? How you draw a line on someone's face like that? That is horrible. And then on my Sorry, go
You
ahead.
laughing at me. That's how I know I ain't doing it right.
Go ahead, it's okay. It's not okay. This bitch is giving me drag realness. Man drag. Give me a damn beard.
Look at it. Perfect.
Contemplating my life and
This
shit.
is like, you know how when your mama, like, you got something on your face, she give you this.
Ew, it's time of guidance, honey. It's a challenge.
What is this? Shit. This a Jeffree Star. I know who this nigga is because of her. That's a last step. That's when you hit the whole face and you glitter it up. So, I'm gonna use context clues. And with this, I'm gonna rock with this brush, y'all. From Morphe.
Okay, sponsored.
Yeah, shout out to them. And Stay Lauder.
Right.
You feel me? So, boom. Here we go. This right here.
Why is it the
I
small?
feel like this the right brush because it's not doing too much.
Wait, look at the camera.
Let me see. Yeah, we. Yeah.
Oh shit, dude. Shut up.
Okay, I am yellow makeup artist, okay? So you don't think you popping? You popping?
Yeah, but not that poppin'.
Okay, 200. No, really, I'm
100.
texting. No, I'm texting. I never devalue myself. 200.
I devalue myself. Bitch, I will never pay $200 for makeup.
Girl, I try.
Yeah, I'm in my lane. I got my own route. On the road to the riches, trying to ball out. Yelling fuck the police with a loud mouth. I'm just trying to live in a world where they don't care. Told my mama that I'm sorry, but it ain't fair. I'm starving, everybody eating around me and they won't share. So I gotta get all I can, all that I can, all that I can.
Yep, so that highlight, yo.
Like someone I work with.
Relax. Oh, yeah, you better keep that in the video. You better
Like someone I work with.
relax.
And I,
The shade, honey.
for me. When every man pass, I'm like it couldn't be. true religion king, I'ma spit for the lost souls.
Oh my, the eyebrows, honey. That shit is trash. Tragic. You thought they were good?
Yes. With that S on there. You know,
There's a whole festival going on outside in case y'all hear any noise.
somebody get their ass beat. Wadobe. You feel me? That's this one right here. Wadobe. And a white. I mean, Armenian. Whatever.
She is not Armenian. Get her race right, honey.
Wadobe.
You on this side, so you're blocking the light.
Ooh, that's how you do it right there. Yeah, that's just alright right there. Yo, you can open your eye and go.
So people, where I'm from, people used to do makeup so ugly, but it was like a church of living in it.
Cause that's what they do in the day.
I've heard that before too.
Sukuto. With the Wadobe.
That right there, that red and that gold do not look ugly. It's just I didn't know that I could.
If I do it, it wouldn't be ugly.
Yeah, but it's a good color scheme. Like I did.
You can make anything look good.
I did kind of, but I'm saying I blended that nicely though. I just took it up too far. Never mind.
Confidence, Jesus.
Continue your narration.
The confidence, Jesus. You cannot get the eyeshadow up to the eyebrow.
And that's why you're a makeup artist.
And also, yeah, you're using the wrong brushes because this face is too small for you to use that big ass brush.
Girl, you got big old eyeballs.
Yeah, but look at this. This is not big. Right here, where you're brushing the crease, so you need a smaller brush. Bitch.
Hey, we not gonna be calling nobody bitch on no narration.
Yeah.
They gonna hear me beat your ass.
Your shit is on 1%. It's about to die.
Okay, seriously.
Ooh, that shit
Really?
trash.
Yeah.
I think I'm supposed to put a little bit
So,
under her
I think I'm supposed to put a little bit up under her eye
I don't know.
to give it like a, I don't know, to make it look good. So I'm gonna go right back to the Sokoto
You gotta
because I feel like red up underneath with the gold would probably look very good. Am I supposed to use this brush again? Can I at least get a hint? Can I get one lifeline, ma'am? Am I supposed to use
I'm giving you like.
Am I supposed to use this brush again?
You can
Up under
if
your
you
eye.
want to. If you're precise. It's
Bro,
a
I'm
big
not
brush,
precise. I need a small.
What did you write?
I need a little this like this. No, that ain't it. Like this. This cool? I can use this one. Come on, like.
You're not even showing me what brush it is. You're holding it by the brush. Yeah.
Yo, get your ass.
Mosquito. Oh.
That shit bite me in this video. Y'all gonna see me kill some shit. Okay.
It's like you should know. Like if you paint with paintbrushes, wouldn't you get a smaller brush for details?
Okay.
Well, I'm trying to kill that bug.
Alright. So now since I done fucked up on the eye, I feel like I did the top part right though. But the bottom, I don't know how to do that. Now I'm gonna draw on her shit.
Oh my god. Are you about to zoom in?
Good on your eyelid.
Alright.
They can give me some props on that. But yeah.
But it's how you playing basketball. To this.
Stop! What are you? Come on. It's okay though, I'ma fix it.
This.
You just did that to yourself. Comment on the top part, you feel me? Don't comment on the rest, cause I did trash. I know
What
I did
top
trash.
part?
She looked like right here, these. On
These?
top, I did good. Your eyelids, I did
You
good.
hear that music?
You hear them loud people?
That's a music. A DJ, I think. A music.
Can't be moved.
Okay, Dad. You suck. I ain't paying $250 for this.
I'm moving.
Made it look
Come on,
fool.
please stop moving.
You better cut that screaming out. He's using the same fucking brush.
No, this is a different one. I haven't used this one yet, so hush. Come on, dude. Yo, you keep doing stuff that I don't appreciate.
Shut the fuck up.
Hush, hush.
I'll whoop your ass. I'll whoop your ass. Definitely start highlight all over your face, ladies. That is the trick. Now that's tea. Oh, a little more. Right on the fucking tip of your fucking forehead. Perf.
Nah, I feel like I did everything I'm supposed to do. I love you.
Boy, if you don't get.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, chillin'.
So, okay, if you could tell me what's the best part and what's the worst part? The whole damn thing.
You know it's bad.
Okay, what about the lips? They don't look good?
No.
What about the eye thing?
What I
The
think?
top part. Like the color. I did a nice little blend on that, didn't I?
Yeah, but yeah, I guess that's the best part. But it don't go all the way up to the eyebrow, and that eyebrow is trash. So it makes it all look trash. That's the end of the video, guys. I look trash. Yeah.
Shit is just another day.